Hey guys, it's George from ClipsBee, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can turn a simple blog post into a faceless video for YouTube. Very easy and very quick. So I found this blog post here from Charlie Chang, 5 things keeping me sane while running multiple projects. And I want to take this blog post here and to turn it into a faceless YouTube video for a faceless YouTube automation channel. So what is the first step you need to do here? Well, to find a blog post you like, and then go to our tool here, ClipsBee, create an account for free, you can test it out for free, and then create a new project. So I will take this name here, copy, paste. You have the option here to select from a single presenter or multiple presenters. So I will choose multiple presenters here with 2 characters that will talk to each other like on a podcast, because it's more interesting and fun. And this is the interface of the software here. You have the character A and character B here. So let's select the character here. I will select George here, for example. And if you want, you can create a custom character here from our custom builder, or you can upload your own custom character. But for this project, I will use George here. Save changes, and for character B I will choose this character here. This is character A, character B. Now let's change the background. I will use this podcast background, flip the background, use this podcast background again, and for this character, and this is the basic scene. Now what to do if you want to turn this blog post into a video? Well, actually, it's super simple. Just select this text here, click copy, and click here idea to script. Now, super basic prompt. Just type turn this blog post into a conversation. Now, leave some space here and paste the text like this. If you want, you can change the maximum duration. I will turn it to 3 minutes, and you can also change the conversation style from educational, storytelling, debate, and instructional. I will leave it educational. Click replace existing script here to remove the starting text from the project here, and click generate script. Alright, our script is ready here. As you can see, we have a new original script with just a prompt. Here you can see they're talking about the meditation. From here, safe TV watching for when you eat. Let's see, TV. I saw it somewhere. Yeah, TV watching for meal times. Yes, we have here the systems and SOPs. There you go. And just like that, we've turned this blog post into this simple script for a video. Now, if you want to add photos to make this script more engaging, you can select this part here from the text, for example, and you can insert your own custom photo here, or you can generate a photo with AI. So you can type a prompt here and it will generate photo. So let's test it. Businessman managing files in Studio Ghibli style. Let's click generate and let's see what will happen. And our image here is ready. Now let's see it. There we go, super amazing image. This video will be so long if I render it. It will be 3 minutes, so I don't want to waste your time with 3 minutes video. So as you can see how easy it is to delete some stuff. I will remove a lot of this text like this. See? It's basically like you're editing a Google Doc. It's so easy to transform your text. I will leave only this part just to show you how easy it is. And if you want to add some stuff, you can. So what to do if you want to add some part for the George, for example, leave some space and you can type George like this, and you can type something, or you can just go here and click George, and this will give you the George character. So hello, and for the aria is the same. Click aria and hello George. Just like that, you can add custom text. And yeah, I will remove this. I will leave only this part. Now, if you want to add subtitles to this video, go to project settings and just click embed subtitles in video. There you go. This is everything you need to do. Now when you're ready and you like the text, it's time to render the video. Just go here and click the only button, start render and continue. Now a box will pop up and it will show you our video is rendering. So now let's wait and I will show the video to you guys. And our video here is ready. Let's download it and I will show it to you.
Hey Arya, I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed lately with all the projects I have going on, businesses to manage and things to learn. Balancing all of this with social time feels almost impossible. Do you ever feel like this?
Absolutely, George. It can definitely be overwhelming when you're trying to do so much. It's like there aren't enough hours in the day, right?
Exactly, but I've started using some strategies that seem to help. For one, I've been focusing on creating systems. Proper systems and SOAPs really make it easier to manage everything.
That makes sense. Having systems in place must help with delegating tasks too, right?
Yes, definitely. Documentation is key, so others can assist effectively. If you don't document and teach, it feels less like a business and more like just a job.
I see what you're getting at. And what about managing teams? That must take a lot of brain power and time.
And that was all for today's video, guys. You can see how easy it is to turn a blog post into a faceless video that you can use for your YouTube automation channel. It's amazing how fast you can test some ideas. So for example, you can find a blog post and you can copy 100 blog posts to turn them into 100 videos, and that way you can start channels and you can test ideas very fast. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I will see you in the next video.